Moto Dog.
Here we go. Helmet has some negative reviews about the wind noise, but I'm not sure that will bother me a whole lot, unless it don't affect the camera or microphone. Just doing a test run. Forgot to turn my gas on, so I just had to turn it on. Couple weeks till bike week. I just got making sure I got everything all situated and set up the way I need it to be. Decide on what jacket I'm wearing, and so far the weather looks like it's going to be great up there. A chance of rain on Saturday, but decent temps, decent forecast. Hopefully it goes in our favor for weather-wise. You see Lita Ford and Jasmine Kane, Jackal, a bunch of good bands playing. Trying to get used to this bigger bike, because I rode the Rebels a lot last summer. So far, this helmet seems pretty good. It's warm, really warm. But I don't know if I got the vent open or not. I can't tell. What I need to be doing is out here trying to lose some weight. Take a bike ride, and so far it ain't helped me lose any weight. They're like, oh, you can't do it. You can't lose weight on a bike, on a motorcycle. You had to ride a bicycle. I'm like, a bike's a bike. Yeah, this is gonna be my first big trip. So far, I think there's 6 of us going. Should be about a 6-hour ride, I believe. Be a good time. I need to upgrade the GoPro. I'm still running the Hero 3 old school antique. I like to go up to at least the 8, I believe. we'll see. Nice day out today. So far this helmet seems decent. I need to go up the highway a little bit and see how it does. Need to quit being so nasally when I talk. Look at all the pollen on the top of the water. It's crazy. Just out testing the GoPro placement and how this mount's going to work, and test out how well this helmet is. I like this helmet. The padding's softer, almost too soft compared to my old Speed and Strength helmet, but it's comfy so far. I need to start doing reviews on all the gear I'm running, because I've been through multiple helmets now, and I've been through a bunch of different gear, and I never done any reviews on the jackets or helmets or anything, any of my accessories or anything. I think I need to. Especially my horrible experience with Viking bags. There ain't hardly any traffic out. About 40 miles an hour, and I can hear a little wind noise in this helmet. So I'd say at highway speed this is going to be pretty rough, but we'll see. Other than deciding on a few things to take, I'm ready to go. I think I got my bag packed and everything in it, and my saddlebags are packed what they need to have in them. I need to Need some new saddlebags, but they're going to have to wait till after the trip. It's crazy at this Shadow, 750 Shadow, and I'm barely flat-footed. Guess I'll go back home and see how this GoPro turned out.